Hey there, my friend. I hope you're doing okay. And if you're not, that's okay too. I'm glad you're here listening, just taking a few moments to breathe and be with yourself. Today, I want to talk to you about something we often forget in this noisy world: the power of silence. Yeah, silence. Not everyone talks about it, right? We talk about hustle, about speaking up, about chasing dreams, about making noise and being seen. But silence. Silence gets pushed to the background like it's not important. But let me tell you something. Silence is powerful. Maybe more powerful than we realize. Let's sit with that for a second. Noise is everywhere. Think about your day. From the moment you wake up, your alarm goes off, maybe notifications pop up on your phone. There's traffic outside, messages, emails, scrolling through social media, people talking, music playing. So much noise. We're surrounded by it. And honestly, it gets overwhelming. We feel like we always need to be doing something, listening to something, replying to someone. And in all of this noise, we forget to listen to the one voice that really matters, our own. Silence helps us hear that voice again. Silence helps you think. Have you ever noticed how your best ideas come when you're alone? Like in the shower, or lying in bed late at night, or sitting near a window watching the rain. That's the power of silence. It gives your mind the space to breathe, to process, to understand. You're not just reacting to the world anymore, you're actually thinking, feeling, noticing. Silence is where ideas grow. It's where you ask yourself, am I happy? Is this really what I want? What do I need right now? And in that stillness, you get honest answers. Real answers. That's powerful. Silence heals. You know, silence is also healing. When your heart is tired, when your soul feels heavy, when your mind is full of chaos, silence doesn't demand anything from you. It just gives. It gives you peace. It gives you rest. It gives you time. Sometimes, you don't need advice. You don't need someone to fix you. You just need a quiet space where you can fall apart and breathe for a while. That's what silence offers. It's like a soft hug that doesn't say anything, but somehow says everything. You don't always have to respond. One of the biggest lessons I've learned in life is this. You don't always have to respond. You don't have to argue with every insult. You don't have to explain yourself to everyone. You don't have to fix every misunderstanding. Sometimes, silence is the most powerful response. Why? Because silence shows strength. It says, I don't need to prove anything. I know who I am. Let people say what they want. Let things be. You can protect your peace by simply saying nothing and walking away. That's not weakness. That's wisdom. Silence and listening. You know what else silence does? It teaches you how to listen. Not just hear, but really listen. Most people talk, waiting for their turn to speak. But when you practice silence, you become someone who listens with their whole heart. You start hearing the emotions behind the words. You become someone people trust because they feel safe with you. And sometimes, silence is the best way to support someone. You don't need to give advice. Just be there. Be present. Let them feel heard without interruption. That kind of silence is pure love. Silence is a superpower in a loud world. In a world where everyone's shouting to be seen, silence stands out. When everyone's rushing, the one who pauses becomes powerful. When everyone's talking, the one who listens becomes wise. When everyone's reacting, the one who reflects becomes calm. Silence is not empty. It's full of answers. It's full of you. Learning to be alone without feeling lonely. Here's another thing silence teaches us: how to be alone without feeling lonely. That's a huge skill. We're so used to distractions, TV, phones, people, noise, that the moment we're alone, we panic. We feel uncomfortable. But silence helps us get comfortable with our own company. And when you can sit with yourself in peace, you become whole. You stop chasing people to fill a void. You stop needing constant attention. You realize that you are enough, just as you are, sitting quietly in your own presence. That's freedom. How to invite more silence into your life. Now maybe you're wondering, how do I bring more silence into my life? It doesn't mean you have to move to a cabin in the woods or meditate for hours. You can start small. Turn off the noise. Even just 10 minutes a day, no music, no phone, no TV. Just sit quietly. Go for a walk alone. No headphones. Just listen to nature, your footsteps, your breath. Wake up a little earlier. Use those quiet moments before the world wakes up to be still. Try journaling. It's a silent conversation with yourself. Very powerful. Sit by a window. Watch the sky, the clouds, the birds. It's therapy for your soul. Start with one quiet moment. You'll begin to crave it. And slowly, silence will become your strength. Silence doesn't mean doing nothing. This is important. Silence isn't laziness. It's not a waste of time. You're not doing nothing. You are recharging. You are growing. You are listening to yourself. Some of the most successful, wise, and peaceful people in the world spend time in silence every day. It's how they stay centered in a world that's constantly spinning. Closing thoughts. Be still and know. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with this thought. Be still and know. There is something beautiful that happens when you slow down and just be. No pressure to impress anyone. No need to rush. No need to explain. Just stillness. Peace. Presence. In that space, you reconnect with yourself. You remember who you are. And you realize you don't need to be louder. You just need to be clearer. And clarity often comes in silence. So my friend, I invite you to make room for silence today. Even just a few minutes. Let it hold you. Let it teach you. Let it remind you of your strength. Silence isn't the absence of something. It's the presence of everything you've been missing. You don't need to say a word to be powerful. You just need to be present, with yourself, with the moment, and with the silence that speaks louder than words ever could. Take care of yourself. Be still. And trust the quiet. You're doing better than you think.